I'm trying to make a bit of sense from this. Google Ads, if I have 4 ads, each ads have a 2 different landing page because I want to test. Should I put for two of these landing pages the same conversion? Conversion tracking will always be the same, right? Conversion tracking will always be the same. What you want to do is to A/B split test and use something like Unbounce, or there are lots of these page builder apps which will help you split test or A/B split test, so that you can split them 50-50, 60-40, 70-30, however you want, and just have one URL in the ad and not 2, because it's going to be a nightmare to figure out which one is going where and why one is performing better than the other. Split test them, and then in your landing page app, you'll be able to see which one is converting. So one page could be with a photo, one could be with a video, and you're split testing, or it could be headline 1 versus headline 2. And when you are split testing, make sure that you only change one thing. There's only one variant. Don't change the headline and the photo and the description and the whole page. Otherwise, you won't know why one is performing better than the other. So this is why it's called A/B split testing. Just always split test one thing.